Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce my research topic. It is analysis the development of animated films and its impact on the film industry. My name is Xiaochen Wang, P168492. Now we are beginning for my primary research. My topic 1 is what extent can animated film affect the development of the film industry? Animated movies and now becoming a mainstream movies tend in a fast way. Animated movies are very important to the film industry. Whether it is traditional animation style production or imaging 3D animation, it can very popular, can move the heart of the audience so that they will enter the cinema more and more times. For example, a famous IP such as Gundam, Dragon Ball, and so on, they all have a huge numbers of fans all over the world. As more and more related animated films are released, more and more people will definitely enter the cinema to watch the movies. Gradually, animated film will occupy the film industry. Topic 2. American animated film mainly take personal heroism. It means individual hero style pilots as their main selling points, such as Superman, Captain America, Batman, and so on. However, the subject matter of Chinese animated film is different from the main pilot, highlighting the importance and moving of love, family affection, and unity. This is the difference in two aspects. For example, take Journey to the West, Naja, as an example. Topic 3. How can animated film have a positive impact on the audience? Of course, we can use animated film to reach audiences, especially children, with correct values and influence. First of all, the correct pilot and character setting must be present. The audience must be moved by the rich lens performance and character language, especially for the works for children. It is necessary to make them understand what love and unity are. Thank you very much. That was my primary research. Now we are beginning for my secondary research. Analysis on the development process of movie animation. Take Japanese and American animated film as examples. Okay, that was my topic of my secondary research. Now let's begin. It is undeniable that Japan and the USA are the film countries in the world that can be called the big powers of animated film, not only because of the large number of animated film they produce, but also because of the status of animated films in their respective film industries. While starting to compare the differences between the two countries, yes, it is necessary to explain the comparison object of this article animation film. In the following text, animated movies specifically refers to those animations that are not directly related to TV animation for the purpose of distribution in the both cinema chains. In this way, the animated film in this article do not include TV animation series. We have a special style, such as OVA, that means directly facing the video type or DVD market. And theatrical versions of TV animation series, such restrictions and mainly for Japanese animation. Compared with American animation, they have much more TV series, OVA and theater versions. If all of these are compared with American animation, it is simply an impossible task. On the contrary, if the animated film category said in this article in used, the works of the two countries are relatively equal in terms or quantity and quality, so that it is easier to compare the similarities and differences in styles. The choice of different themes and different interpretation methods of story make Japanese and American animated film have different functions. Hollywood work are more entertaining, while Japanese animated film seem to be more narrative. American animated film, it looks like more awkward, while Japanese work looks thicker and deeper. In fact, there is no absolute difference between the two, but they represent the taste and character of the Eastern and Western nations, respectively. Further speaking, they present different appreci- appreciation need to be people. The weirdness, natively and entertaining of American animation are very suitable for the royal family to watch together. The children can learn while being amused by laughter. That's real. Okay, that was my primary research and secondary research.